Sounds of English, a deep dive into phonemes. Hello learners! Today we're diving into an essential part of English language learning. Our focus for this session will be on phonemes, a crucial component of phonology. Have you ever wondered how we differentiate the various sounds of the English language? Well, today we'll uncover the mystery. Let's start at the very beginning. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound that can distinguish one word from another. For instance, the sounds P, B, T, and D in English are different phonemes because they can create different words like pat and bat, or tap and dap. Don't worry about the slashes around the letters. They're not actually part of the phonemes but are a common way linguists represent phonemes. Why are phonemes important? Phonemes help us create meaning. For example, if you replace one phoneme in a word with another, it can change the entire meaning of the word. A slight difference in sound can make a cat turn into a cap. Remember that phonemes are not about letters but sounds. Think about it. In English, C and K can make the same sound, and PH can sound like F. Phonemes come in different types. Two major categories include vowel phonemes and consonant phonemes. Vowel phonemes are made when airflow from your lungs is not blocked by your mouth or throat. Consonant phonemes are formed when this airflow is blocked in some way by your oral cavity. Let's consider the word bit. Here, B and T are consonant phonemes, while I is a vowel phoneme. Phonemes play a significant role in accents as well. Differences in phonemes and the way they are pronounced create the various English accents we hear around the world. For instance, the word car is pronounced differently in American English compared to British English, due to the difference in the pronunciation of the phoneme R. And that's a wrap. You've just started your journey into the fascinating world of phonemes. By understanding phonemes, you're taking a significant step towards improving your English language skills, specifically pronunciation and listening comprehension. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll find the sounds of English unfolding before you like never before. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, every phoneme counts.